Morning guys, how we all doing today? It's getting cold, so we are on the 30th of October at the minute. We're down to 8 degrees. I know that's not freezing by any means, even for this country, but I'm feeling it. I might have to give up the shorts soon and get into some big boy trousers, which I'm dreading. I like the shorts, but you know what it's like on these building sites. We've got no heating in them, so. But anyway, I digress. We are off today to a bigger job that I've been on. I fitted the kitchen about 2 weeks ago on this job, so I've got a few fillers to do on there and a bit of boxing in and pieces like that. And then I've got 9 or 10 doors, I guess it might be 11 doors to hang, just lightweight cheapies to hang 6 panels. And then I've got balled a section of the loft, but it's not very interesting, to be honest. It's literally going to be like 2 foot square around the loft hatch, just so you can step into the loft. So yeah, not that much, and then fit a loft ladder. So I might do a couple of videos on this, I'm not too sure, but primarily I'm just going to focus on doors today and bring you along for that. But yeah, last day in the life that I did was doing really well. Tangerine, if you know what I'm talking about. If not, go and check it out and you'll find out. But yeah, anyway, I digress. I'm going to drive over there, guys, and then we'll have a little look at the job and we'll take it from there. Cheers. Okay guys, so here we are at the property. I'm going to give you guys a little walk around. You'll have to let me know about the audio. I mean, I will see and edit as well, but I noticed on my last videos that, so this is on a GoPro. I bought my big camera in for a little while, but the audio was really off. It kept on dipping in and out, so I hope I've tweaked it in the settings now, so it should be all right. But let's have a little look. So these are the doors that we're going to be fitting. Like I said, cheap and cheerful. Basically like that cardboard. But yeah, we've got all of these to do up here. So obviously bathroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. That door there is staying. She doesn't want to change that one, so that's fine. Here's a little look at the ironmongery we're going to be using. So pretty alright quality, to be fair. Nothing wrong with that. Decent bearing hinges and just a tubular latch. I need to talk to her because she hasn't got a lock for the bathroom. We've got downstairs toilet as well, so I'm not too sure. But if I take it downstairs, just show you that. So we've got this door here, this door here, this door here, and then this is the little toilet, the little understairs toilet. But that still needs everything doing in it. And then this is the kitchen, but obviously the decorators are in here at the minute, so you can't really see too well. But basically I need to get a filler up there because there's a 200mm gap, bit of boxing in at the top there, and you can just about see the extractor vent, so I'm going to do a boxing in there as well. But like I said, today we're just going to be focusing on getting doors on, so nice and easy one for a Monday morning, to be fair. Probably won't get all the doors on, but we're hitting quite hard. And you'll notice that there's no hinge cutouts on these because they've been flipped round. So these were originally done like privacy doors, and that light switch was over there, but we've changed them all round for some reason. I don't know why. Changed them all round to open that way. I prefer them as privacy doors, to be honest, but hey, each to their own. So I think I'll set up in this room because it's a nice big space and there's nothing else in here. So we'll use dust extractors and that, but it'll be nice and easy to tidy up in here. So no, without further ado, let's get set up. Okay guys, so that's the first door on, and I'm just halfway through the second door. Take you guys in there now. I just thought I'd stop and show you the state of this door lining. I don't know if you guys can see that, if it's going to come across on film. But, I mean, can you see how that diminishes off? I've had to take 10mm off here and then taper it right down. And look at the gap here, I can get my finger in it, and I ain't even taken anything off the door there. So, to combat this, I'm going to have to pack the door over just to make the gap a little bit bigger on this side to half it. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you. These are probably some of the worst door linings I've ever worked on. But that's all part and parcel of fitting into old door linings, really, isn't it? So we'll crack on anyway. Okay, so I've got the door on here. I'm going to pack the hinges over when I put it back in, and that should close that gap up. But what I do need to do is trim some off the bottom of here because we're going to have carpets laid down. I normally leave about 18mm for carpets, there or thereabouts. So we've got 5mm already, so 18mm there. That should leave plenty. Well, the carpet's going to go down. Okay guys, so there's that door on. I've managed to get the gaps tighter on there. Not perfect, I'm not overly happy with it, but we're just making the gap even bigger here, so there's got to be a compromise somewhere. But it's all working nicely now, so that's all good. On to the next one. Okay guys, so we're on to the third one, and I just thought I'd show you this head before I start. I don't know if that's coming up on camera, but if I show you on that square, like, I don't know, what's that, 15mm out over 300mm? So yeah, that's plenty out of square, that door frame. So it's going to be fun getting this one in. So I'm going to get this one. I'm going to get this one done off camera, but I'll come back and show you what it looks like afterwards. Give you a little insight. Okay guys, there we go. We've finally managed to get that door on. That one was a bit of a hiccup, and it didn't come without its problems, let me tell you, because look what I did here. Hung it the wrong way around, didn't I? But it's fine, because this is going to be painted, so I can feel that. We all make mistakes. Let me clean that lens for you. Yeah, we all make mistakes, and I did on there. Just so much going on with that door, with the head being cut the wrong way, making sure I had the lock. I even put an L on there for lock, because I had to cut that lock off the top of it. So yeah, loads going on with that one, but I'm going to get a couple more done now, and then I'll check back in with you. There we have it guys, that's me for today. So we got 5 doors in on the end. Not ideal, I would have preferred to have got 6 in, but you know, them door linings were so bad. I was having to just put doors on and off so much to do them. So, but I don't think 5's a bad effort. Like I said, they're linings were terrible, so we're happy with that. But this is the point in the video where I ask you guys to do me a massive favour. If you've made it this far, can you write oranges in the comments? Because it really helps me know how far you have watched the video to. It helps me know who's watching the videos to the end. So if you can write oranges in the comments, you can leave anything else in the comment that you want. Put something funny in there if you want. I'll reply to all the comments. It really helps me out. If you've got any questions on what I've done today, let me know, and I'll get back to all you guys. But I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'll leave a video either here or here of the next one for you to watch, because I've got quite a few on the channel by this point. I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.